Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to deposit your USDT and stake your USDT in this Ubitex exchange. Like I said in my previous video, that I'm going to teach you how to deposit and how to stake your USDT in this exchange. If you're watching this video right now and you haven't registered, click on the link below this video, register and follow me step by step on how to stake your USDT in this exchange. So after registration, you're going to watch the last video that I posted before this one. In the last video, I explained how this exchange works and how you're going to verify your account. Okay, so after watching the previous video, you come to this video to learn how to deposit your USDT and how to stake your USDT. Okay, once you are done with your KYC, the next thing that you're going to do is to fund your wallet. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is to fund your wallet. So what do you need to do? You click on this asset, you click on this asset, you click on spot. Okay, so you click on deposit, you click on USDT. So for me, I'll be choosing BNB Smart Chain. Okay, so you select your network, don't use Ton. It's either you are using BNB Smart Chain or you are using Tron. Don't use Ton. Don't use Ton. Okay, so you choose any of these two. Okay, TRC or BEP20. So I'll be using BSC BEP20. So you're going to copy your wallet address. Click on this copy icon to copy your wallet address. Then you go to your favorite exchange where you have your USDT. You click on withdraw, or you click on assets, you click on withdraw, anyone, depending on the exchange that you are using. So you click on this place. Okay, you input your wallet address. Remember, you're using on-chain. Okay, so input your wallet address. You choose network. Remember that I copied BSC. Okay, BEP20. So you click on BSC. You type in the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. Okay, okay, so once you are done, you click on this withdraw. Okay, so you are going to cross check on-chain withdrawal, your network BEP20. Make sure that everything is correct before you click on confirm. Okay, so once you come here, you click on your fund password. Then you go to your Google Authenticator. If you're using Bybit, go to your Google Authenticator to get your code. So once you put in your code, you click on confirm. Okay, withdrawal application submitted. So you go back to your Ubitex exchange. Okay guys, so while we wait for the money to land, I want to show you the reason why I withdraw 270 is because I already have 31 USDT here. So I want to make it up 300. This is why I want to make it up 300 because I've already staked 200 USDT. So I want to make it a total of 500 USDT. Okay. So you come to this assets, you come to earn. Let me show you the one that I staked 2 days ago, what I have earned. You actually earn every day, okay? And you can withdraw your fund. See what I earned yesterday, $1.7. See my total earning, $3.5, okay? Good thing about this staking and your earnings is that you are earning in UB coin, you are earning in UB token. But if you don't want to leave your coin in UB token, you can actually convert it to USDT if you want. And total supply of this UB token is just 100 million, okay? That is total supply, 100 million, and it's going to do well. Imagine that this token was launched 5 months ago at 0.10 cents and now it's 2.5 USDT. Let me show you. Come to this trade, you see the token 2.5 USDT just in 5 months. So if you are earning in UB coin and you are leaving your token in UB coin, you are going to make massive profits if this coin shoots. Do you understand? I'm just here to show you what I staked, the $200 that I staked, and what it has given me for 2 days, 3.5 USDT. And I can actually unstake at the end of the year, and I will take back my money with my profit. Okay, let's check if the money has landed. Okay guys, so as you can see, the money has landed. The money has landed. Okay, so we're going to stake it. How do you stake it? The first thing that you're going to do is to click on this asset. Okay, so you click on this asset, you click on this N, you click on N, so you click on transfer. Okay, so you're transferring from spot account to N account. In case if you come here and the N account is up and the spot account is down, you need to change it through this arrow. So you just click it to change it. Okay, so you are transferring from spot account to N account. Okay, so you type in the quantity of USDT that you want to transfer. So you click on confirm. Okay, so once you are done transferring the money, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on this finance. So I'll be using this 10.25%, 360 days. As you can see, the money is bigger. If you are staking for 360 days, that is 1 year, you'll be earning 0.85%. Okay, if you are staking for 90 days, you'll be earning 0.70%. Okay, if you are staking for 180 days, you'll be earning 0.80%. If you are staking for 15 days, you'll be earning 0.5%. If you are staking for 30 days, you'll be earning 0.6%. So I'll be staking for 1 year, that is 360 days, because the money is bigger. Okay, so you click on it, you click on this one, and don't forget that the minimum to stake is 100 USDT. As you can see, it minimum to stake is $100. Okay, but you need to have extra USDT because they're going to charge you for gas fee. So once you click on it, you are going to type in the amount of USDT that you want to stake, or if you want to use all, you click on all. Since you have already transferred it to N account, so you just click on all. Okay, remember to tick on this thing. If you leave this thing like this, it's going to auto reinvest at the end of 1 year. But if you remove it, you can invest by yourself if you want to reinvest again. Do you understand? But if you don't want to reinvest again, just remove it. Just remove it, so that at the end of 1 year, you are going to take the money that you use and stake. But if you leave it like this, at the end of 1 year, it's going to reinvest by itself. Do you understand? So I'm going to remove mine. You click on stake, okay? So as you can see, I have successfully staked. So I have staked the total of 500 USDT, okay? So how do you check what you staked? You can still come to this N. You can still come to this assets here. You come to this N. As you can see what I staked. The money that you are earning will be here. So you click on this order. Click on this order. You see what you staked. Okay. So as you can see what I staked. As you can see what I staked. For me, I will not be withdrawing my money in USDT. I'll be withdrawing my money and be leaving it in UB because it's going to shoot. The coin is going to do massively well, okay? If you're watching this video right now, make sure that you partake in this staking project. Make sure that you partake in this staking project. There are so many ways to make money in crypto. Number one, staking. You can make money through staking. You can make money through airdrop. You can make money through trading, through Signal, and so many of them. Okay. So make sure that you register and participate. Click on the link below this video and register. Okay. If you have any question, you can come to my WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number below this video. You can chat me on WhatsApp and ask me any question that you want to ask me about this Ubitex. Okay. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please like my video, comment, and share. Thank you.